Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share the recipe of soft and fluffy pumpkin shaped dinner rolls. Prepare the ingredients and let's get started. For this recipe we will need 120 grams of pumpkin puree, 50 grams of sugar, 450 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of milk, 5 grams of instant yeast, 45 grams of butter, 2 eggs, almonds for the stems, and of course the scales. Start by pouring 150 grams of lukewarm milk, 5 grams of dry yeast, 50 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a bowl and mix well. Now add in 45 grams of melted butter, 1 egg, and 120 grams of pumpkin puree. Gradually add in 450 grams of flour, 1 cup at a time, and knead on medium-low speed until the dough pulls away from the sides of the ball. Continue to knead the dough on medium-low speed until the dough is soft and smooth. Transfer the dough to a large greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a towel or plastic wrap and let the dough rise until doubled in size, about 1 hour. Transfer the dough on a countertop and divide into 12 equal pieces and shape into balls. To shape the buns using string, take a long piece of string and find the halfway point. Place the halfway point on top of the ball of the dough and flip the whole thing over. Pull the two pieces of string together and cross them over to create a cross on the bottom of the ball. Flip it over again and do the same thing until the ball is divided into 8 equal pieces. Tie the string at the top and cut off any excess. Leave the buns for about 30 minutes to puff up. Now brush the buns with egg wash and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove buns from the oven and brush with melted butter. Then allow them to cool for a couple of minutes and carefully remove the string and place an almond into the center of each roll. And this is it, our pumpkin-shaped dinner rolls are ready. Bon appetit!